Hi friends, good morning to all. Grade 12 Mathematics, chapter number 12, linear programming problem. Almost completed this chapter, only pending question number 8 and 9 and exercise, miscellaneous exercise and chapter number 12. So here listen, page number 5 to 7, miscellaneous exercise, question number 8. Question number 8. Listen students. A fruit grower can use two types of fertilizer in his garden, brand P and brand Q. Brand P and brand Q. The amounts in kilogram of nitrogen, phosphoric acid, potash and chlorine in a bag of each brand are given in the table. Tests indicate that garden needs at least 240 kg of phosphoric acid, at least 270 kg of potash and at most 310 kg of chlorine. If the grower wants to minimize the amount of nitrogen added to the garden, minimum amount of nitrogen added to the garden. So we need minimum amount of nitrogen added to the garden. How many bags of each branch? How many bags of each branch should be used? What is the minimum amount of nitrogen added in the garden? Listen again, given information. Nitrogen. Phosphoric acids. Potash. Chlorine. Brand B and brand Q. Brand P has nitrogen 3 kg, phosphoric acid 1 kg, potash 3 kg and chlorine 1.5 kg. And brand Q has nitrogen 3.5, phosphoric acid 2 kg, potash 1.5 and chlorine 2. Listen. Let us consider the number of bags from brand P as X. Let X be a bag of brand P and Y be the bag of brand Q. So X P brand bags counting and Y is a number of bags in brand Q. Listen, we need minimum amount of nitrogen added in the garden. So the objective function Z is minimum of Z. So amount of minimum amount of nitrogen. So given information, nitrogen amount of brand P is 3 kg and 3.5. So first brand P has 3 kg of nitrogen, so 3 into X plus brand Q has 3.5 kg, so 3.5 into number of bag in Q is Y. So minimum of Z is equal to 3X plus 3.5Y. This is an objective function. Objective function. Listen students, objective function, we need the minimum amount of nitrogen added to the ground. So minimum is a minimum of Z, that is the amount of nitrogen. Z is amount of nitrogen. So minimum of Z equal 3x plus 3.5y. Next, and given constraint, indicate that garden needs at least 240 kg of phosphoric acids. Phosphoric acids need at least 240 kg. At least means greater than or equal to 240. So phosphoric acid has 1 kg. So 1x plus 2y. So 1x plus 2y is greater than or equal to 240. This is first constraint. Next, second one, 270 kg, at least 270 kg of potash. So potash has 3 kg of brand P and 1.5 kg of brand Q. So 3x plus 1.5y is at least 270. So greater than or equal to 270. Greater than or equal to 270. Right? So divided by 3 and both sides, simplify that. X plus 1.5 by 3 is 1 by 2, that is 0.5y is greater than or equal to 9 this is 24, so 90. This is a second constraint. Third constraint, at most 310 kilogram of chlorine. So at most mean less than or equal to 310. So chlorine has 1.5 of brand P, so 1.5 Xa plus 2y. This is third constraint, and x is greater than or equal to 0 and y is always greater than or equal to 0. This is fourth constraint. So find x intercepts and y intercepts of the given constraint. So determine the constraints. So listen students, this determine, this constraint is determined to lines. Let us consider this line first equation, which implies x plus 2y is equal to 240. Let's say first x equal to 0, which implies 2y equal to 40, then y equal to 120. So 0, 120 first point. Next y equal to 0, which implies x equal to 240. So 240, 0. So first line is passes through 0, 120 and 240, 0. So second constraint, listen students, second constraint, x plus 0.5y greater than or equal to 90. That means x plus 0.5, y equal to 90. So if x equal to 0, y equal to 90 by 0.5, that is 180. X equal to 0, which implies 180. So a point is 0, 180, second line. And y equal to 0, which implies x equal to 90. So 90, 0. So third constraint, 1.5x plus 2y. If x equal to 0, which implies 2y is equal to 1.5x plus 2y equal to 310. So x is 0, 2y equal to 310, then y equal to 310 by 2, that is 155. So the point is 0, 155. 0, 155. If y equal to 0, which implies x equal to 310 divided by 1.5. 310 divided by 1.5 is equal to 3100 by 15. Simplify this. 215 cancel. 3 times of 5 and 6 times of 5 is 30. Remaining one 2. 620 by 3. So 620 by 3. 620 divided by 3, or 620 divided by 3 is equal to 2 times of 3 6 and 0 20 has 6 times 6 is 18, remaining 6. So 206.6. 206.6. So point is 206.6, 0. So listen students, government constraint considers line. This line, first line is passes 0, 120, 240, 0, and second line is passes through 0, 180 and 90, 0. Third line is passes through 0, 155 and 206.6, 0. Chariya. Right, listen, plot these points. X, y. Let us consider here, listen, highest value is 240 x-axis and y-axis highest value is 180, right? Let us consider 50, each one unit, 50, 100, 150, 200, 250, 300, 350. So x-axis as 1 centimeter is equal to 50 units and y-axis is same as 1 centimeter is equal to 50 units. Okay, right. So here are 50, 100, 150, 200, 250, 300. Right. 300, 350. Listen. So plot these points. First point 0, 120. 0, 120. So 120 in between 100 to 150. This point is 0, 120. 0, 120. Next 240, 0. So this point is 240. 240, 0. This one is 240, 0. So join these 2 points. This is 0, 120. This is 240, 0. So join these 2 points. This one is first line. This one is first line. Okay, right. This is first line. First line. Next, second line passes through 0, 180 and 90, 0. 0, 180. So 180 in between 150 to 200. This point is 0, 180 and 90, 0. 0, 180 and 90, 0. This one is 90, 0. So join these 2 points. This line is second line. Second line. Next, third line is passes through 0, 155. 155 is this point. Consider as 155 and 206. 206. This one is 206. So join these 2 points. Okay. So this one is third line. This one is third line. So intersect of this one is common intersect points. Listen, here greater than or equal to 0 first constraint. So first line, this is a first line. So first line greater than or equal to 0 means above this line, straight above the region. So above the region. Okay, and second line is also greater than or equal to 90. So second line, this is second line. So right of this line. So this area. Okay, right. Next third one is less than or equal to 310. So this one is third. This line is third. But less than or equal mean below the region. So sir, the below the region. This one. So sir, this is required feasible region. Required feasible region is this one. Is required feasible region. Required feasible region. Find the corner points. This point is considered as A, this is B, this is C. So find A, B and C. A, B and C. Listen. So first line, first point A. The point A is intersect of first line and third line. So solve first and third. Solve first and third. First equation x plus 2y equal to 240. Third equation 1.5x plus 2y equal to 310. So subtract this 2 term, 2y cancel. X minus 1.5x is equal to minus 0.5 x equal to minus 240 minus 310. 240 minus 310 is equal to 70. So minus 70. So x equal to 0.5 means 1/2. So 2 into 70 is 140. X equal to 140. So if x equal to 140, substitute this equation, anyone in the first one equation. One implies 2y is equal to 240 minus 140 is 100. Then y is equal to 100 by 2, 50. Okay, x equal to 140. So substitute the value x. 2y is equal to 240 minus x value 140. 240 minus 140 is 100. 2 equal to 100, then y equal to 50. So therefore the point A is 140, 50. 140, 50. Right. Next find B. Listen students. The point B is intersect of second line and the third line. So solve second and the third. So second line is x plus 0.5y equal to 90 And third line is 1.5x plus 2y is less than or equal to 310. Okay, right. So the coefficient same agondu ipo enna sa seiyalaanga. Right, listen students. 0.5. So multiply equation number 2 and 4 all multiply padi. Equation 2 into 2, which implies equation number 2 is 2x plus 2 into 0.5. Sorry, 4 all multiply. 4. So 4x. Now 4 into 0.5 கொடுத்துட்டு ஆன்சர் என்ன கிடைக்கும்? 2 கிடைக்கும். So 4 into x 4x plus 4 into 0.5 is 2y equal to 4 into 90 360. And equation number 3 is 1.5x plus 2y equal to 310. 3 y 2y cancel. 4x minus 1.5x is equal to 2.5x. 2.5. 4 minus 1.5 is equal to 2.5. X is equal to 360 minus 310 is equal to 360 minus 310 is 50. 360 minus 310 is equal to 50. Then x is equal to 50 divided by 2.5. 50 divided by 2.5. So is equal to 500 divided by 25. So 25 is 20 into 25. 20 x equal to 20. 20 into 25 is equal to 500. 10 times of 25 250. 20 times of 25 is 500. So x equal to 20. So in B is x equal to 20. And y value, substitute any one equation. Equation number 2 or 3. Equation number 2, x equal to 20. 20 mean y is equal to 90 minus 20 70. 70 by 0.5, that is 140 equal to 140. So 20 comma 140. So the point B is 20 comma 140. Next find the point C. Listen, the point C is intersect of first line and second line. So solve first equation and second equation. First equation and second equation. First equation is x plus 2y equal to 240, and second equation is x plus 0.5y equal to 90. So x cancel. 2y minus 0.5 1.5y is equal to 240 minus 90. 240 minus 90 is equal to 250. Sorry, 150. 150. Then y is equal to 150 divided by 1.5. So 10 times of 1.5 equal 15. So 100 into 1.5 is equal to 150. So y equal to 100. So implies x equal to, put y equal to 100. 100 into 2 is 200. 240 minus 200 is 40. So x equal to 40. So the point C is 40 comma 100. The corner point C is 40 comma 100. Okay, right. Next, listen students. The corner points A, B, C. A is corner point. A is 140 comma 50, and B is 20 comma 140. C is 40 comma 100. 40 comma 100. The value of Z. Find the value of Z. Listen. The value of Z equal to 3x plus 3.5y is. Substitute this point A is 140 comma 50. Substitute the Z value. So 3 into 140. First one 3 into 140. So 3 into 14. 2 into 40 28. 28 plus 14 is 42. So 420. 3 into 140 is 420 plus 50 into 3.5. 50 into 3.5. So 50 into 3.5. 25 to this is 15 plus 17. 17.5. 50 into 5 into 3.5, 75, so 175. 175. So 50 into 3.5 equal 175. 175 plus 420 is equal to 420, 520, 595. So 595. 595. Okay? Right. The answer is 595. Next, value, substitute this value B. Substitute this value B. B is 20, 140. B is 20, 140. X equal to 20 and Y is equal to 140. Substitute this value. 3 into 20 is equal to 60. 3 into 20 is equal to 60 plus 3.5 into 140. 3.5 into 140. There is a 3.5 into 140. 4 5 is 20, 0, 22, 4 is a 12, 14, 3.5 into 14, 0, 2, 4 is a 12, 14, next 3.5, so 0, 4 plus 5, 9, 3 plus 1, 4. So 490. 490. Right. Answer 490. So 490 plus 60. 490 plus 60 is equal to 550. 490 plus 60 is equal to 550. Next, last one, point C. Substitute this value. 40 into 3 is 120. First x equal 40, then 3 into x is equal to 120. 3 into 40, 120. Place 3.5 into 100. 3.5 into 100. It is 350. 100 into 3.5. 350. 100 into 35, 3500. But 3.5 into 100 is 350. So 350 plus 120 is equal to 470. 470. So this is the value of Z. Compare these three values, 595, 550, 470. The required answer, this question number 8 is minimum amount of nitrogen added to the ground. So minimum amount of nitrogen, is amount of nitrogen. So minimum amount of nitrogen, this is a minimum amount. This one is minimum. Here 595 is maximum. This one is maximum. Okay. So listen students. Here we need minimum amount of nitrogen added to the ground. So 470 kilogram of nitrogen added to the ground. This is a minimum amount. Therefore, the minimum amount of nitrogen added to the ground is 470 kilogram. When the brand P has 40 pack and brand Q has 100 packs. This one is the required answer. So check that answer, correct one. So therefore, the minimum amount of nitrogen is 470 when brand P has 40 pack and brand Q has 100 packs. Okay, so question number 8 is complete. Right. Right. Listen. Next question number 9. Question number 9. So same question. Listen. Same as the 8th question method. So question or so refer to question number 8. If the grower wants to maximize the amount of nitrogen added to the garden, how many bags of each brand should be added? What is the maximum amount of nitrogen added? Listen students, question number 8, we need minimum amount of nitrogen added to the garden. Okay, so minimum amount of nitrogen added to the garden. Next, question number 9 has maximum amount of nitrogen added to the garden. So 8 to 9 to same question da, but 8 la minimum amount ketanga, 9th la maximum amount ketanga. We have need maximum amount of nitrogen in question number 9. So same question, same answer. We apply follow panning same method. But last one, we have the maximum amount of nitrogen. So here maximum amount of nitrogen has 595. Present Question number 9. Question number 9. This is same answer. This one is question number 9 answer. So maximum amount of nitrogen added to the garden is 595 kilogram. 595 kilogram. When 140 bag of brand P and 50 bag from brand Q. Okay, so this is a required answer in 9th question. So 8th question, 9th question same da. 8th question minimum amount of nitrogen, 9th question maximum amount of nitrogen. Okay, so right, exercise miscellaneous exercise completed. அவ்வளோதான், சாப்டர் 12 கம்ப்ளீட் பண்ணியாச்சு. ஸோ கொஸ்டின் நம்பர் 2, 3, 6, 7 இஸ் டெலிட்டட் போர்ஷன் அண்ட் எக்ஸாம்பிள் 11 and example 11 is deleted portion. ஓகேவா, ரைட். ஸோ 12th chapter very easiest one. ஓகேவா, ஸோ LPP problems and used by graphical method very easiest problem. ஸோ exercise number 1 டைரெக்டாக LPP ப்ராப்ளம்ஸ் கொடுத்து கிராஃபிக்கல் மெத்தட் கேட்டிருப்பாங்க. பட் எக்ஸசைஸ் நம்பர் 2 அப்ளிகேஷன் ஓரியன்ட் ப்ராப்ளம்ஸ். ஸோ ப்ராக்டிக்கல் ப்ராப்ளம்ஸ் தான் கொடுத்துட்டு அதை நம்ம LPP ப்ராப்ளம்ஸ் கன்வெர்ட் பண்ணிவிட்டு எப்படி நம்ம அந்த கிவன் டேட்டா கரெக்டாக அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் பண்ணணும். அட்லீஸ்ட்னா என்ன, அட்மோஸ்ட்னா என்ன, மோர் தென், சரியா, பிலோ, எபோ, மேக்ஸிமம், மினிமம், இந்த வேர்டில் கரெக்டாக கிளியராக உங்களுக்கு அப்சர்வ் பண்ணால் மட்டும்தான் நம்ம டேட்டாஸ் கரெக்டாக நமக்கு எடுத்துக்க முடியும். ஸோ அப்ளிகேஷன் ப்ராப்ளம்ஸை கிளியராக அப்சர்வ் பண்ணிவிட்டு டேட்டாஸ் மட்டும் கிளியராக மிஸ்டேக்ஸ் இல்லாமல் நீங்கள் எடுத்துட்டீங்க அப்படின்னா இந்த கொஷின் நீங்கள் ஃபுல்லாக படித்து முடிச்சிங்க. ஓகேவா, ஸோ ரொம்ப ஈஸியாக வெரி ஈஸியஸ்ட் சாப்டர். ஸோ ஒன்லி கிராஃபிக்கல் மெத்தட் மட்டும்தான் உங்களுக்கு இருக்குது. நெக்ஸ்ட் ஹையர் லெவலில் போகும்போது நிறைய இருக்குது. டிரான்ஸ்போர்ட்டேஷன் ப்ராப்ளம் இங்கே டெலிட்டட் போர்ஷனில் கொடுத்துட்டாங்க. நெக்ஸ்ட் நிறைய லெவல் இருக்குது. ஓவர் ரொம்ப ஈஸியான ஒரு டாபிக் தான், ஒரு இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட்டாக இருக்கும், டைம் எடுக்கும். ஸோ திஸ் கொஸ்டின்ஸ் எல்லாமே நீங்கள் ஒர்க் அவுட் பண்ணி பாருங்கள். ஸோ ஒர்க் அவுட் பண்ணி பார்த்தோம்னா டைம் சேவ் பண்ண முடியும். ஸோ டைமிங் வெரி இம்பார்ட்டன்ட். ஸோ ஆன்சர் மட்டும் தெரிஞ்சால் பார்த்தது டைமோட செய்யும். ஒரு கொஸ்டினுக்கு எவ்வளோ டைம் இருக்குது, அது டைமுக்குள்ள டைம் மேனேஜ்மெண்ட் ரொம்ப வெரி இம்பார்ட்டன்ட். ஓகேவா, ஸோ ப்ராக்டிஸ் பண்ணுங்கள். ப்ராக்டிஸ் பண்ணிங்க அப்படின்னா டைம் கரெக்டாக மேனேஜ் பண்ண முடியும். ஸோ சாப்டர் நம்பர் 12 ப்ரீ மாடல் 2ல் நமக்கு போர்ஷனாக செலக்ட் பண்ணி வச்சுருக்கோம். ஸோ சாப்டர் நம்பர் 12ல் போய் நம்ம கிளாஸை கம்ப்ளீட் பண்ணி முடிச்சிடுங்க. மோஸ்ட்லி ஆல்மோஸ்ட் எல்லா சாப்டரும் முடிச்சாச்சு, போர்ஷன்ஸ் கம்ப்ளீட் பண்ணியாச்சு 12க்கு. ஸோ இனிமேல் நீங்கள் படிக்கிறது மட்டும்தான். சப்போஸ் ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்ணும்போது டவுட்ஸ் இருந்துச்சுன்னா கால் பண்ணுங்கள், எதாக இருந்தாலும் ஹெல்ப் கேளுங்க, செய்யும். சரியா, ஸோ கொஞ்சம் ப்ராப்பராக ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்ணுங்கள், கொஞ்சம் நல்ல மார்க்ஸ் ஸ்கோர் பண்ணுங்கள். ஓகேவா, ரைட். ஓகே ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ், ஆல் த பெஸ்ட். ஸோ ப்ரிப்பேர் வெல். ரைட், ஓகே, பாய்.